Okay, once again, good afternoon, dear students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday, what was the topic?
Sure, musculoskeletal dysfunctions.
Okay. Okay. Today, I would like to discuss with you another topic, that is biomaterials and properties of biomaterials. Okay. That is, as a mechanical engineer, there is a lot of scope for materials related areas. Actually, as you know, that is, if you classify this mechanical specialization into different areas, then one is materials, manufacturing, etc. like that. So, in the material part, one classification is biomaterials, and in this classification, the mechanical engineer can do a lot in the field of biomedical engineering. So, you should have some clear-cut idea about what is a biomaterial and what all are the important properties of these biomaterials, and how we can make use of this in or how we can contribute into the area of biomedical engineering. That is the aspect we should discuss today. Okay. Before going to the details about this, first of all, let me know what is your background about biomaterial and what do you mean by this biomaterial? What is your concept or what is your idea about biomaterial? Okay, please share your views. What do you mean by a biomaterial? Yeah, please share your views. Ashin Roy.
Materials that are
Yeah,
derived from
okay, very
biological
good.
organisms.
Not clear. Once again, please.
Materials that are derived from biological organisms, tissues, biodegradable materials, etc.
Okay, Ashin Roy. Ashin Roy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your concept about biomaterial?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. Actually, this a biomaterial is any substance. It may be a natural material or it may be a synthetic material that is used to interact with the biological systems for a medical purpose. Okay, that is, we can call it as altogether. A biomaterial is any substance. It may be a natural substance or it may be a synthetic material that is used to interact with the biological systems for medical purpose, such as diagnosing, repairing, replacing, or augmenting body tissues. Okay, this biomaterial is any substance. It may be a natural material or synthetic material that is used for diagnosing, repairing, replacing, or augmenting body tissues. These materials are playing a crucial role in medical implants, drug delivery, tissue engineering, and prosthetics. Okay, this will play an important role or critical role in all these areas. Now you got what is a biomaterial? What is a biomaterial?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Anyone? Please share your views. Should I explain once again? This is a biomaterial. This is an any substance. It may be a natural material or synthetic material that is used to interact with the biological systems for a medical purpose. And this can be used for diagnosing, repairing, replacing, or augmenting body tissues. These materials play a crucial role in medical implants, drug delivery, tissue engineering, Got it? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what all are the important types of this biomaterial? So when it has started, what is the historical background about this? Could you tell me some of the materials this can be used as biomaterial from your knowledge?
Sir, collagens.
Okay, then any other? Suppose if you are having some injury or suppose if you are having some accident, then if there is any problem in the knee or foot or knee or leg or whatever it may be, then we are using some implants or some material for this. What is the material it is made up of?
Stainless steel,
Stainless steel, okay. Then
titanium,
titanium,
cobalt, chromium alloys,
yeah, cobalt chromium alloys, then
nickel titanium,
nickel titanium, then
polymers,
okay,
polylactic കോ അങ്ങനെ എന്തൊരു ആസിഡ് ഉണ്ട്.
okay. Then
പിന്നെ
in addition to that, we can make use of, for example, some dental implants. We can make use of the ceramics materials, okay? Ceramics materials, and in addition to that, composite materials we can make use of, okay? Composite material, ceramics, composite materials, okay? Then actually, in the ancient era, that is Egyptians or and Romans used gold and ivory for some dental implants. Now also you can see some people are using this gold implants. Am I right? That is for dental replacements. Am I right? Have you seen?
യെസ് സർ.
Okay. Actually, in the ancient era, Egyptians and Romans used this gold and ivory for dental implants. And in the 19th century, that is introduction of metal implants. That is, as you have said, stainless steel, cobalt, chromium alloys. This will play an important role in the as a biomaterial. Then, in the case of mid 20th century, development of synthetic polymers, ceramics, and composite material, they are used as biomaterials. Then, in the modern era, nowadays, advanced materials like bioactive ceramics, biodegradable polymers, and smart materials, that, for example, shape memory alloys, these all are also used as biomaterial. Okay. Then, these all are some important types of biomaterials. Okay. In addition to that, what are the important characteristics of biomaterial? What are the, or what should be the characteristics of a biomaterial? What is the most important one? What is the most important one? What is the most important one? It should be
ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് ടു ഐ മീൻ വിത്ത് റിയാക്ഷൻ ഒന്നും നടക്കരുത്.
okay. That is, it should be non-toxic and non-immunogenic. That is, we can combine these two terms together. We can call it as it should be biocompatible.
ബയോകമ്പാറ്റബിൾ.
Yes, that is the word. Okay, it should be biocompatible. Then you should have the necessary mechanical as well as physical properties. Okay, it should be biocompatible. You should have both mechanical and physical properties for intended application. That is, depending upon the particular application, it should have some mechanical properties as well as it should have some physical properties. Then it should be chemically stable. Okay, that is, should not be that is biodegradable if needed some cases. Otherwise, there is no need. Then it should promote cell attachment and tissue integration in some application. That is, it should not affect all these things. Okay, these are the some common characteristics of biomaterials. These are the some common characteristics of biomaterial. Okay, got it? What are the important characteristics? It should be biocompatible. You should have necessary mechanical properties. You should have physical properties. Depending upon the application, it should be chemically stable or biodegradable if some case is needed. Then you should promote cell attachment and tissue integration. That is, these are the important characteristics of biomaterials. Okay. Now, is it clear? Neerath. Neerath or Nathan? Nathan. ഇന്നലെ ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് കിട്ടിയില്ല.
സാർ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ല ഇവിടെ കറണ്ട് പ്രശ്നമാണ് ഇവർ 2 ദിവസമായിട്ട്. ഇവിടെ മഴയാണ്.
Okay, where is your native place?
സാർ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പം അമ്മ വീട്ടിലാണ്, മാവേലിക്കര.
മാവേലിക്കര അത്രയും ഷോർട്ടേജ് ഉണ്ടോ?
സാർ ഇവിടെ മഴ പെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. ആഷിൻ റോയ്.
Yes, sir.
What are the important characteristics of this biomaterial?
സാർ ഇവിടെയും നെറ്റിന് റേഞ്ച് കുറവുണ്ട്.
എല്ലാരും ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയാവുന്ന എങ്ങനെ?
കട്ടായിരുന്നു ഇടയ്ക്ക്.
Adil Bastein.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What are the important characteristics of biomaterial?
Biocompatibility.
Biocompatibility.
And mechanical properties.
Mechanical properties.
Like strength, flexibility.
Yes. Okay. Then
biodegradability.
biodegradability and chemically stable. It should be chemically stable. Okay. You should promote cell attachment. Okay. Now, how we can classify the different types of biomaterials? Okay. How we can classify the biomaterials? That is another important aspect of this. What are how we can classify the biomaterials? As we have rightly pointed out, that is the first classification is metals. Okay, that is there are different types of metals we are using as these biomaterials. Example: titanium, stainless steel, and there is some say cobalt, chromium alloys. Okay, then what are the important properties of these metals? The most important property is high strength. Okay, then corrosion resistance, good fatigue resistance. These all are some important properties of metals. Then what are the important applications of metals? Could you tell me where we can use of these metals? Tell me. Quickly tell me. What are the applications of metals as a biomaterial?
Sir, bone fracture problems when we use this.
Orthopedic implants. Okay, then any other? Then in some cases it will use as a dental implant. Then there is another important application in the case of heart. We have studied about heart. Where pardon? Stent, cardiovascular stent. Then if your heart is not functioning, then we can make use of some pacemakers for the correct rhythm of this heart. Then we can make use of the pacemaker. Pacemaker is also a metallic device. Okay, so these are some important applications of metals: orthopedic implants, dental implants, cardiovascular stents, pacemaker. Then polymers. This is another important material related to this biomaterial. Where and polymers. This, for example, polymethyl methacrylate, polyethylene. As some of your friends rightly pointed, polyl acetic acid, silicone rubber, etc. These all are also used as biomaterial. Then, what are the important properties of these polymers? It is lightweight, biodegradable up to some extent. It is flexible. That is another important property of polymers. Then, good mechanical properties. Then, where we are using it? Where we are using these polymers? Any idea? Okay, we are using as contact lenses, sutures, drug delivery, tissue engineering scaffolds. Okay, then the third type of biomaterial is ceramics. Example, hydroxyapatite, zirconia, alumina. That is, these all are having high compressive strength, biocompatible, when bioactive in some cases. Okay, then the application of these ceramics are bone grafts, dental implants, joint replacements. Then another important material is composite. That is, if you want high strength and etc. like that, we can make use of the carbon fiber reinforced polymers, then hydroxyapatite reinforced polyethylene. These all are some polymer, these composites. And these composites, the advantage is we can combine the properties, that is combination of metal, combination of ceramic, polymer properties. Then this will have good mechanical as well as biological properties. Then here also we can make use of some orthopedic prosthetics, dental restorations, cardiovascular applications. Then natural biomaterials, example collagen. Your friend is rightly pointed out. Chitosan, arginate, silk. Okay, these all are some natural biomaterials. These properties are biodegradable, bioactive, and it will support cell growth. Then this will having application in tissue engineering, wound healing, drug delivery. These are some of the applications of these biomaterials. Got it? And then what are the important types of biomaterials? Quickly. Anyone?
Sir, I'll say.
Yeah, Pranav. Okay, you can tell me. What are the important types of biomaterials?
Sir, there are mainly four types of biomaterials: metals, ceramics, polymers, and composites. Metals are mainly used like metals like titanium and titanium alloys are mainly used for used as biomaterials for bone transplantation, etc., and orthopedics. Then coming to um, polymers, we use for tissue replacement, etc.
Okay.
And coming to the case of ceramics like hydroxyapatite, etc.,
Yeah.
we use them for oral or dental implants and other applications. When we talk about the case of composites, we use carbon fiber reinforcement composites for hydroxyapatite composites for other medical applications.
Okay. Then one more is there. What is that? In addition to metals, polymers, ceramics, and composites, one more is there. Natural biomaterials. Example,
Okay, sir.
there are 5 classifications. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this application, we can make use of this as orthopedic implants, dental materials, cardiovascular devices, drug delivery systems, tissue engineering. Okay. Now, what are the important properties of these biomaterials? What are the important properties? As a mechanical engineer, what are the important mechanical properties we need?
High strength.
High strength, very good. Okay, ability to withstand stress without failure. Tensile strength in bone implants. Okay, then
Corrosion resistance.
corrosion resistance. Then elasticity, in some cases we require. Then hardness, resistance to surface deformation. Okay, for example, dental implants. Then fatigue resistance. Then toughness, ability to absorb energy before fracturing. Then density. Then porosity, cell attachment and tissue engineering scaffolds. Then surface topography, cell adhesion and integration. Then thermal conductivity. Okay. Then these are the some important mechanical properties. In addition to that, as you said rightly, chemical properties like corrosion resistance, hydrophilicity, okay, chemical stability, etc. Okay, these are the some of the properties required. Then, in addition to that, biological properties, it should be have biocompatibility, then bioactivity in some cases. Okay, then it should not without causing any harmful effects such as clotting. That is hemocompatibility. Okay, that is it should not promote or it should not affect the harmful effects of clotting, hemolysis, okay, destruction of red blood cells or immune reactions. Okay, these all are essential for blood contacting devices. For example, in the case of stents and all, okay, because they are directly contacting with blood, so this should not have any properties. Then in some cases, it should have the degradation properties that is useful for temporary implants. That is example, dissolvable sutures. In some cases, we are using the dissolvable sutures. And then wear and tear resistance. These all are needed for important for long-term implants like artificial joints. Then then as you know this application and properties, then as a mechanical engineer, we have to select the right material for a particular application. So you should have some criteria for selecting the biomaterials. What are the important criteria for selecting the biomaterials? Please quickly. After learning all this, you should be able to answer this question. How we can select a material for this biomaterial, the biomedical application? What are the important things we should take into consider? Quickly. What is the most important one?
Sir, economical.
Biocompatibility.
Biocompatibility, it should have this economical, okay. Then mechanical strength, degradation rate, processing and sterilization compatibility. Then, as you said, the economic with the cost and availability. That is also very important. Okay. Then
Durability.
durability, that is also very important. Okay. Then in the nowadays in the modern era, there are some emerging trends in biomaterials are there. That is smart materials like shape memory alloys, VCAP, they are also playing an important role in. Then another area is nanomaterials, nanobiomaterials. That is use of nanotechnology for drug delivery and regenerative medicine. Then bioengineering materials, for example, now we are making use of the 3D printing. That is 3D printed tissues and lab grown organs. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in order to conclude this, these biomaterials are crucial in modern healthcare, ranging from implants and prosthetics to delivery and regenerative medicine. The selection of biomaterial depending upon mechanical properties, physical, chemical, and biological and degradation properties. And this will ensure the optimal performance in medical applications. Then advancements in nanotechnology, bioengineering, and smart materials are paving to the way for the next generation biomaterials. Okay, these all are the some important aspects related to the biomaterial. Then if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can feel free to raise. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I take the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Abel Joseph,
Present, sir.
Abhay,
Present, sir.
Abhijit,
Present.
Abhishek,
Present, sir.
Adarsh,
Present, sir.
Adil,
Present, sir.
Adit,
Present, sir.
Ajan,
Present, sir.
Ajmal, Alamin, Alvin.
Sir, 10%.
Sir,
Number
present.
11,
Sir, present.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
27.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present,
30,
sir. So 29%.
30,
Present, sir.
31, 32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34, 35,
31.
34 ഉണ്ടോ?
31.
36,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
39%.
40,
Present, sir.
41, 42,
42.
41 ഉണ്ടോ? 42,
42.
43,
43%, sir.
44,
44, sir.
45,
45, sir.
46,
46.
47,
47.
48,
48.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
57%, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59, 61. 61.
Present, sir.
60 ഉണ്ടോ?
60% ആണ്.
62.
62 present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
67.
Present, sir.
68.
Present.
69. 70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present.
72.
Present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74.
Sir, 41% ആണ്. 41.
സാർ 74 ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പം വാട്സാപ്പിൽ മെസ്സേജ് ഇട്ട് നെറ്റ് പോയി എന്ന് പറയാമോന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. 74.
74 ഉണ്ട്.
സാർ 9 ഉണ്ട്, 9 കറണ്ട് പോയിരുന്നു.
$34. 59. 69.
സാർ 71.
കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓക്കെ ആണല്ലോ. Okay, if you have any, I will post in the lab also. If you have questions, and you should submit it. Okay. Then any questions, any queries?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, all clear.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
സാർ അസൈൻമെന്റ് ടൈം നാളെ വരെ വെക്കണേ.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
ക്ലാസ് എപ്പോ തുടങ്ങുമെന്ന് അറിയാം.
Class നിങ്ങൾക്ക് for tomorrow also there will be a meeting with the health departments, and tomorrow most probably you will get some idea about this, and most probably the next week the final year classes will be resuming offline. Okay.
സാർ അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഈ വീക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇനിയും?
മോസ്റ്റ് പ്രോബബ്ലി പിന്നെ നാളത്തെ കണ്ടീഷനും കൂടെ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അവര് മൊത്തത്തിൽ തുറക്കാൻ പെർമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അല്ലെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം ഫൈനൽ ഇയർ ആയിരിക്കും.
ഓക്കെ സർ.
ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. ഷാൽ ബി വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ്?